Yeah.
So, actually, here, I'll just hand it to you. If you wouldn't mind both introducing yourselves and how your names are spelled.
Absolutely. My name is Jerry Weber, Jerry Webber. I'm with the Boeing Company. I'm the program manager, or deputy program manager for the SLS program with Boeing here at Michoud.
Yes, Gregg Eldridge, Gregg, Eldridge, Eldridge. I'm with NASA. I'm here in the resident office, the SLS resident manager here on site at MAF.
Well, first off, thank you all very much for doing all this today. And I'm just going to get right into it. So, it's really for either one of y'all. Obviously, we see this is the interstage, correct?
Yeah.
So we've got the Artemis 3.
Inner tank. I'm sorry. Inner tank. Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That was on me.
No, there is an interstage. It's a
Right.
different portion. So you got it.
I mixed it up.
Inner tank. Yep.
So those barrels we saw earlier, were those part of 3 or 4, or do we know?
The barrels that were in the aisleway earlier, those are for the core stage 4
For 4.
tank
Okay.
build.
Okay.
Yes.
So do we have a status on core stage 3s? Or are they all put together? Or?
Yes. Well, the core stage 3 hydrogen tank just went through what we call thermal protection system. It's a spray that we spray on the outside of the tank. It just went through
just
spray.
like this, just
Yeah,
like that spray.
just like this insulation you see here. And then the oxygen tank is going through a primer operation in preparation for spray on it for core stage 3. Yeah.
And obviously we saw the Artemis 4 components out there. Do you expect that tank welding to start before or after the EUSSTA?
So we have going into our vertical assembly center, you probably saw the ring getting loaded in now. That is the aft adapter weldment for our exploration upper stage structural test article. We will likely be going and doing a core stage 4 hydrogen tank weld. Now that's something that we continually monitor to make sure that we get the best optimization of our shared areas. But right now the plan is to do a core stage 4 hydrogen tank weld next.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the last one I had is, do you have an estimate of when you'll start welding the engine section panels for Artemis 5?
I believe we have already
Yes.
started the engine section
Yes.
panels for Artemis 5. Those came off when you went over to the vertical weld center, which was I think the first stop y'all went to. That is, we had the hydrogen tank in there. The engine section was the article prior to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just tangentially, what about the tank barrels for Artemis 5?
That was what is in the vertical
That's-
weld
okay.
center now.
Starting those
Yeah,
barrel
starting
welds.
those now.
Gentlemen,
Yeah.
thank you. That's all I had.
You bet. All right. Sorry, Greg.